In this tutorial, I am going to show you an amazing tool in Excel for forecasting. Here in this sheet, I have past sales trend of XYZ company for 2015 to 2023. My requirement here is to make a sales forecast for next 5 years, that is 2024 to 2028. In this case, I can use a dedicated tool of Excel, that is the Forecast Sheet tool. First, select the past sales data, then click on Data tab. Here you have the Forecast Sheet tool. Click on it. Initially, it shows a line chart of the forecasted values. The orange-colored line shows the forecast and blue color line shows the past sales. Here in Forecast End, select the last year till which you want to forecast. Make it 2028. Below it, there is an option button. From this, you can set up the seasonality, confidence interval, controlling missing point, etc. For example, if your products are seasonal and has peak sales in 4 months in a year, you can put 4 in the seasonality by setting up manual option. If set automatic, it will auto-sense the seasonality. Here I am not making any change. Just click on Create button. Here you see a new sheet with forecast and line chart is created. Drag this visual down. Here you see, if the sales revenue follows past trend, in the year 2028, expected sales revenue is $231.5 million. In next 2 columns, you have the lower and upper confidence bounds. Lower bound shows the minimum and upper bound shows the maximum possibility of sales. So, this is how we can use Forecast Sheet tool in Excel to quickly estimate the future sales revenue. This can be applied to other fields like population forecast, weather forecast, and any other forecast that highly depends on past trend. Thank you so much for watching this. If you find this useful, please give a thumbs up in the video and subscribe to this channel. See you in next tutorial.